Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove map sensor on Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler guys or Fiat vehicles. Many people ask me how do you remove the map sensor. This is the little bitty sensor that detects how much pressure you have in the intake manifold. That sensor guys, people will try to pry it, people will try to pull it out, and actually they will break their intake manifold, which could cost like $300–400. So in today's video guys, it will be a very short video just to show you how to do that. If you have a Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Fiat vehicle guys, it will work on any of those. Now, quick introduction guys, we will have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful, and let's start on it now. So it doesn't matter if you have a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder engine, many of those guys use that design. And this is the engine out of Dodge Dart here, but that same engine guys is used on Dodge Dart, Jeep Cherokee, Renegade, Compass, Chrysler 200, Fiat 500X and more guys. The 2.0, it's even used in more of those. And we worked on a Dodge Journey the other day with a 3.6 engine. It was the same way guys, exactly the same. So this is your intake manifold on the car, right? And the map sensor is on the intake manifold, okay, somewhere there. And how you guys remove it? Okay, once you disconnect the wire, okay, most people, okay, what they will try to do, they will grab it, they will try to pull it out, but you cannot do that. If you can pull it out, it will just fall out. There is no screw or anything like that holding it. So how you guys remove it? Now, it could be stuck a little bit because there is one O-ring on the inside that makes sure that there is no vacuum leak. So all we need to do, grab it and turn it counterclockwise about 90 degrees. Check it out now. 90 degrees and the sensor comes out guys. Okay, you can see it's kind of like a screw type deal. And when you're ready to install a new one, all we have to do, get in the same spot that it goes in. It can go in only one spot. You can see here I cannot push it in. You just have to find the spot that it goes in and turn it until it stops. And this is it guys, you can see how simple, but people will try to pry them, they will break their intake manifold, and that could be hundreds of dollars. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Don't forget guys to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.